Hello team, this video explains how Iana Skifte is helping the Norwegian farmers on their daily tasks using the location and audio permission. So when user first time visit the application, he sees this startup screen. When user clicks on the login or the register, user will able to see the prominent dialog. Here on the screen, we are explaining the user why and how we are using the location access in background with image. This image explains the driving pattern of the task which user has performed in his specific field. This is as per the Google Play policies. So I will just click on the next button. Immediately after that, user will able to see the location permission dialog, so that user will able to provide the permission. One important point here is all the permissions in the application are optional and user can deny that. So right now I am just denying the same. Now this permission of video recording and picture we are using for setting up the profile pic in the application. User can deny this. Iana Skifte will able to record the audio message. So this provides the feature of geofencing and audio commands. So I will explain the same in the same video. I will just click on while using the app right now, and this permission to access the media contents on the device is for writing the logs, but we can deny the same. Now this is a login screen, and I will just enter the credentials here. Now this is the dashboard screen. So here one important point is we still haven't provided any permission to the any means location permission to the application. So from this click of plus button, user will able to start the task. The task is any task in the farm which we are recording along with the location coordinates. So for this feature, we need the location permission from the user. If user has not already provided the same, then user can give the same when he clicks on the task, start task functionality. Now the same information we are providing here, and once user clicks on this one, a user will able to give the permission while using the app or in background also. So this we have kept on the user. And now right now I will just click on the while using the app. Now next time he will never ask, because anyway already I have given the permission. Second thing is in the current session, even if the user denies, we are not asking the permission to the user. Now let's see, I will just start the task. Here we can see the location, and always we are showing the information dialog on the screen where we are showing the need and use of the location data. So it will be always visible to the user when we are capturing the location. And at the same time on the screen also, if user is on the using the application, on the screen also he will able to see the driving pattern. Right now I am at a single location, that's why we are not able to see the pattern, but as we have shown in the screen, the pattern will be visible on the screen. When I click on documentation, I have clicked just the complete task, and now I will be updating for the documentation. Here we can see there is no driving pattern, otherwise the pattern will be visible here, for which we need the location permission. Now I am just updating the documentation details. I just saved the same. Now let's move to the next part, where we are using the geofencing along with the voice commands. So first I will try to update the language in the application so that I will able to give the commands in specific language. So I am just going to the user profile page. Here I will just switch to the English. I have switched the application language to the English. Now I will go to the user profile page once again. Here there is another setting. So user use automatic start and stop task. So whenever user reaches to the field, automatically the app can notify to the user you have reached to the specific field. Do you want to start the task? If user says yes, the automatically task will be started. Once user leaves the field, application will tell the user like, do you want to stop the task? You have left the field just now. Then user will able to give the voice command yes for the same, and automatically all the things are happening without interacting with the application. Now here we can see the notification on the top, and as I am in the same field basically, so we should get some notification, voice notification.
Hello Josh, you have reached test field. Do you want to start a recording?
Yes, please.
Recording of activity has started.
So in same way we are showing, we are capturing the location. Also without interacting with the application, actually user can start and stop the task recording. So this is the main functionality of the application, for which we need two permissions. One is location permission and another one is recording audio permission. So thanks for your time and have a nice day. Bye.